What is good, guys? So different type of video today. This is we're actually at a SoCal Jenny's meet. It's an Instagram group or community, I should say, for like mainly Genesises, but they have a drive that they organized today, and it's actually open to all makes and models. So we pulled up, and I mean, there's a little bit of diversity. You know, we got a Kia Stinger, got a CLA, Hyundais, the Elantra N and Veloster N, got a couple Mustangs, GR Corollas, I mean Civics, I guess. There's my M3, there she is. And then if we walk down, you know, there's gonna be like a hell of like Genesis, mainly Genesis coupes like the BK1, BK2. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely different. Never been to, I guess, like a community drive, so this should be interesting. But I mean, you know, I used to want a Genesis coupe like way back in the day. So you know, seeing all these now, it's still pretty cool. I personally wouldn't want one now, but I mean, they're still, you know, nice cars. Also, for those of you that don't know, I did have a G70 before my M3. I actually had two of them. So this guy, he did like everything to his G70. He got like all the parts basically, slapped them on. I know he actually has like a full interior, full carbon interior as well. So that's pretty cool. Got all these. And here are all the Genesis. Like, look at these. There's an absolute shitload of Gen coupes here. Yeah, I mean, I think we're gonna be leaving in like a few minutes or so to start the drive, so I'll put on the camera, talk to you guys then. All right, so it looks like we are leaving now. We're on the way to I believe a gas pit stop, and then yeah, I mean, then we'll be on our way to Lake Elsinore. I've actually never been over there, so you know, that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, this is definitely I guess like slightly different crowd than what we're used to in just terms of like overall cars that are here. But I mean, you know, like I said, I've been following SoCal Jenny's for a couple of years now, and it always seems like they have like, you know, a very good community. So I've always wanted to check out like one of their community drives. I've just never actually had the time before, but it's great to finally come out. And I think one of the owners of the group, or I don't know how they do it, right, but one of the main people, you know, he came up, introduced himself like right away, so that was pretty cool. All right, so I just added the heads-up display as a shortcut. So now if I ever want to access, you know, turning off my heads-up display for like canyon drives and whatever, I have it. So from now on, I will remember to turn off the heads-up display. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll be there. I'm about to turn on to the 15. All right.
Anyone with you or is it just us?
Nah, there's a lot of people.
Okay.
Go, go, go. Yep. Here we go. Now we got some of the cars. Yo, look at those wheels on the Miata. Those are some fat ass wheels. God, this popcorn tune. Oh my God. I love a good burble, but damn, I think this is too much. Sure. All right, so meet's over. Just got some food. I would say overall, you know, it was a pretty fun drive. Just driving on, you know, with a bunch of other cars, you know, who all enjoy the same thing, I think is pretty great. So, you know, shout out to SoCal Jenny's for setting it up. Like I said, this is my first time actually going to one of the things in person. You know, I've always seen you know, their stuff on Instagram and whatever, but yeah, I mean, it was really cool to meet everyone and just hang out and have a good time with like-minded people. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed that little meet and cruise with SoCal Jenny's. But that's pretty much it for now. I'm just gonna help Will out with some car stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it for my day. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.